So what's going on, traders? Today was a red day. Um, should have been a green day, but can't win them all. And I'm gonna go over some valuable lessons on why sometimes it's good to stick with charts, like certain charts are used to, and sometimes it's not good. And then today also kind of had some bias changes. So I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna long and short, and yeah. So let's get into the recap and break down my trade. So as you can see, this is the TD Ameritrade platform, and this I like because of the pre-market. I can't see that in my other charts. So this is where I got that 560 level off of. That's where I figured major support's at. So get into mine, into the trade zero. I started shorting right here on 604 at 593. And my target, I had an order to cover my position at 570. Well, it popped up here, and some reason I got this faked me out. I don't know why, but it faked me out. So I covered, and I took a loss on that trade. And then I'm like, okay. So then I switched my biased, which this is where it kind of got me. But the loss really small in this one. So I went long at 601, and then right here, like 603, I started seeing the seller started getting eaten up. Or I mean, not the seller, the buyer get eaten up. So I sold. I tried to put an order out to sell 500 shares, and I only got filled 450 out of 500, and then it dropped, and then I covered my remainder of 50 shares right here. So I'm like, all right, let's just stick to what you know, Andy. Let's not change biases, and. So I didn't touch the stock. And then right here, market opens. Stock comes through that 560 level, and automatic right here it gets bought right back up. So I'm thinking, okay, I'm gonna risk off the 610. I got short right here at the 585s, and then I walked away because I didn't think that we were just gonna pop right through it, but we did. So this is why I like TD Ameritrade, because right here, you can see the 666. Actually, if you go on the 1-year chart, there's actually a gap to fill right here at $6.66. So I didn't look at that today as well. So that was another mistake on my part. Um, so I'm short right here, and I walked away. All of a sudden I come back and I'm getting squeezed. All right. So I didn't even go back to look at what the high pre-market was. That was another mistake that I did. Because if I would have, I doubt that I would have covered right here, because since we're so close to it, I don't think I would have. But I covered right here just to play it safe. The stock is, it did gap up. So it's not like a gap down. So I covered right here. So at this point in time, I'm down like I think it was like $450 between all these trades. Between them two trades I made this morning and then this trade. I think I'm down like $450. So I'm like, all right. So we keep moving on, and then this is what caught my attention. So we got to high of like 680. Let's see here, 683, and it pulls back to this 560 level. So I'm like, all right, this is where it should bounce. So bounce there, and I wasn't going to go long on this. This right here is a huge pullback. So I'm like, all right, I'm going to wait for the retest and then see how this reacts. So it retests back up to the 670, which is a higher low. So then I'm thinking, okay, I'm going to short this, and my risk is going to be off high of day. If we break high of day, I got to cut the trade and take the loss. So I get short at 650, and we come up, retest again, which we're making another higher low. So I'm still holding my position, and then still holding it, and then the rest of the day I held out. Let's see here. I held the rest of the day. I should have took it off right here at this 560. I don't know why I didn't. That's major support, but I didn't have an order set to do it, and so I didn't take it off. So I ended up covering right here at 579 in the after hours. So this short brought me back on the day. So I pretty much shorted again, and then I held the close, because when I seen this pattern right here, this huge rejection, and then when it came back up and we were making higher lows, I got short, expecting, okay, if the stock's going to break to the high side, it should break in one of these three retests, but it never did. So on this one, I was pretty comfortable holding the short. And then I got out of the position, like I said, right here. But I see right now it came back down. It's 560. So tomorrow, this 560 level is going to be pretty big. If 560 holds as resistance, I'm going to be shorting it. I'm going to be shorting it, expecting to at least go to 538 and start to fill this gap below. But I'll have to wait till tomorrow to see what happens with the stock. But yeah, I would have had a good short this morning if I would have just stuck to my plan, but I didn't. So that would have been a win. And then going long right here, I should have never did that. And then on this short, I shorted the front side of the move. So that was another valuable lesson. And then this short was obviously my best short, but this is how I normally trade. So get my P&L over here. So that's my P&L for the day. So I only lost $100 today, which isn't bad, because like I say, this morning I was down probably $500. But my patience and that retest on this trade right here, I definitely shorted where I should have been shorting. Yeah, that's about all I got for you today. Like I say, tomorrow this 560 level is going to be a big level, so I'll definitely be paying close attention to that. And then I see a bunch of other stocks moving, but this is the only stock I traded today. So I guess until next time, traders, peace out.